Hi, folks. Welcome. This is just a short explanation of the research proposal assignment. And so the research proposal assignment is the first step in the literature review assignment, which is the big research project. And so in the research proposal, basically what you're going to do is choose a topic. That's basically what you're doing. But there are other parts to it. And you're not just choosing a topic, as you'll see. Um, you're choosing a research question. So anyway, to jump into it, number one, it says identify a research question. There's a list on Moodle you can choose from. You're invited to choose from that list. You're also invited to formulate your own question. It's up to you. But if you do your own question, you should have three key concepts within that question. And so some of the homework is going to help you think about this. There are a lot of short videos that are very helpful that I assigned. But if you wonder what in the heck do I mean by a research question with three key concepts, here's one example. Can diet reduce inflammation caused by autoimmune disorders? And so our three key concepts are diet, number one, inflammation, number two, and autoimmune disorders, number three. And so that's a pretty interesting research question. Got three key concepts. I'll show you another example in a second. Number two, you're going to brainstorm search terms. And so, as the homework will explain in more detail, one of the challenges of doing research is that you've got to brainstorm a lot of different words, a lot of different terms to give yourself some options when you're researching so that you have different things to try out if the searches you're trying aren't pulling up good information. Because what often happens is we're not aware of the language people are using to talk about the idea we want to know more about. And so we just need to think of different language to use to search to see if it'll provide us with better results. Again, the videos are going to go into more detail with that. And I'm going to show you another example of that. And so just up here, you could say diet. A related term of diet is nutrition. Related term of nutrition is food. You know, a more narrow term is keto diet. Inflammation, synonym is swelling. Another one could be redness. I don't know. Another, a narrower term could be uh, arthritis is caused by inflammation. You get the idea. Autoimmune disorder, there are like probably hundreds of different autoimmune disorders. So you could put in specific autoimmune disorders in there, and that's kind of how you would fill out these boxes. The second part is a reflection, and that just asks you, what do you know about the topic? What don't you know? What do you need to learn? What kind of sources do you think you'll need to find? So on and so forth. That's all kind of straightforward, just to get you thinking about how you'll get started. Okay, and I want to show you an example to give you a better idea of what we mean by a research question with three key concepts and how to brainstorm related terms. And so this handout is assigned as well. It goes hand in hand with a lot of the videos I assigned. And it kind of walks you through this. And so they start with a research question. And their research question is, what effects do healthy school lunches have on the overall health of students? And so our three key concepts are school lunch, health, and students. But there are a million different ways you could talk about those three key concepts. And so they brainstorm related terms. And so for school lunch, we have school lunches, school meals, menu, healthy options. And then school lunch has to do with public policy and even law. And so you could put public policy, legislation, all that kind of thing. Health, number two. And so related terms, nutrition, wellness, fitness, weight, obesity, disease, illness, diabetes. You get the picture. Anything that's synonymous with health or related to health could be put in there. And finally, students. And so, a million different words could be used to talk about students, kids, children, teens, adolescents, elementary school, high school, junior high, middle school, so on and so forth. You get the picture. And so, anyway, this worksheet gives you kind of a basic breakdown of how to identify the key concepts, how to brainstorm the related terms. And so, this can be kind of tricky. So, please let me know if you have any problems with that. But I'm going to wrap it up there. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.